What are reflexive verbs in Spanish? Reflexive verbs in Spanish are verbs where the subject of the sentence performs an action on itself. In other words, the person doing the action is also the person receiving the action. In English, you might say, I wash myself. She gets herself dressed. In Spanish, reflexive verbs have a reflexive pronoun, like myself, that matches the subject of the sentence. These pronouns are me, ti, si, nos, os, si. Key reflexive pronouns: me, myself, ti, say yourself, informal. Si, himself, herself, yourself, formal, themselves. Nos, sans ourselves, os house yourselves, informal, Spain. Si, themselves, yourselves. How reflexive verbs are formed. Start with the verb, like lavar, to wash. Add a reflexive pronoun that matches the subject. Conjugate the verb normally. For example, lavar, to wash lavas, to wash oneself. Now let's conjugate it in the present tense. Yo me lavo, I wash myself. Tú te lavas, you wash yourself. Él, ella, usted se lava. He, she, you, formal, washes himself, herself. Nosotros nos lavamos, we wash ourselves. Vosotros os laváis. You all wash yourselves, informal in Spain. Ellos, ellas, ustedes se lavan. They, you all wash themselves, yourselves. Examples of reflexive verbs. Levantarse, to get up. Yo me levanto a las 7 de la mañana. I get up at 7 a.m. Ducharse, to shower. Ella se ducha antes de ir al trabajo. She showers before going to work. Vestirse, to get dressed. Nosotros nos vestimos rápidamente. We get dressed quickly. Sentarse, to sit down. Ellos se sientan en el sofá. They sit down on the sofa. Non-reflexive verses. Reflexive. Some verbs can be used with or without a reflexive pronoun, depending on the meaning. Lavar, non-reflexive. Yo lavo los platos. I wash the dishes. Lavas, reflexive. Yo me lavo las manos. I wash my hands. In the first sentence, you're washing the dishes, something else, but in the second sentence, you're washing yourself, specifically your hands, which makes it reflexive. Summary: reflexive verbs are used when the subject is performing an action on itself. You can spot them because they include reflexive pronouns: me, ti, si, nos, oos, si. Understanding them is key to describing daily actions, especially when talking about personal care or routines.